Overhead, a modern factory thrives with automated precision and efficient operations.
Molten white plastic rapidly injects into the transparent mold, forming a helmet shell.
A robotic arm precisely positions a clear helmet mold into an injection molding machine. A robotic arm extracts a perfectly formed, steaming white helmet shell onto a conveyor.
A quality control specialist meticulously inspects a glossy red helmet for imperfections.
A robotic arm precisely places a gray foam lining into a glossy red helmet shell.
Viscous gray foam expands into a heated mold, forming the helmet's interior lining. An optical system aligns a red helmet, projecting bright green laser lines for precision. A precision nozzle applies a thin, even bead of clear adhesive along the helmet's foam lining. Robotic arms efficiently fasten a black chin strap with a quick-release buckle to a helmet. A heavy metallic striker impacts the helmet, deforming the shell in a dramatic test.
A steel striker penetrates a red helmet, demonstrating its resilience in a rigorous test.
Data confirms it. Full pass on G-force and energy absorption.
A glossy red helmet, frosted and shrouded in icy mist, endures extreme cold.
An automated machine seals a cardboard box with clear adhesive tape, ensuring secure packaging.
An air quality monitor displays excellent readings, emphasizing factory safety and environmental control. A pressure gauge displays optimal operational pressure, indicating efficient machinery function. Inside a heating element, plastic pellets melt into a glowing, viscous white liquid. Molten plastic strands extrude from a die head, solidifying instantly in a water bath. A monitor displays intricate 3D CAD models of a safety helmet, showcasing precise engineering.
Inside a 3D printer, a matte gray helmet component is meticulously built layer by layer.
An expansive factory floor bustles with increased activity, flowing with red helmet production. A massive bag of white plastic pellets is tipped into a hopper, initiating production. A robotic arm gently picks up a vacuum-sealed padding package for helmet assembly. Black comfort padding is vacuum-sealed, ensuring hygienic and protective packaging.
A laser etching machine precisely inscribes a unique serial number onto a red helmet.
Glossy red helmets with crisp black logos emerge from a curing oven, branding solidified. An automated machine precisely attaches visor mounting points to a glossy red helmet. A fully assembled red helmet with a clear visor glides on a conveyor belt.
A robotic arm gently places a red helmet into a clear protective bag for packaging.
An automated machine closes and seals a cardboard box, ensuring final protection. A worker verifies helmet boxes with a ruggedized tablet, confirming readiness for delivery. A yellow forklift loads helmet boxes into a delivery truck, beginning their journey. Delivery truck doors slowly close, plunging the cargo bay into semi-darkness for secure transport.
A delivery truck pulls away from the factory, beginning its journey under a clear sky.
A construction worker dons a new red helmet at a bustling job site, ready for work. The construction worker's face, protected by a red helmet and clear visor, conveys focus.
A team of workers, all in red safety helmets, harmoniously works at a bustling construction site.
Looks good. Stay safe out there. Will do, boss. Thanks.
A worker adjusts the helmet's vent cover, demonstrating user-focused comfort features. A worker carefully wipes down a red helmet, removing dust and grime for longevity. A glossy red helmet hangs neatly in a clean locker, ready for the next shift.
A childlike drawing of a red safety helmet symbolizes safety for future generations.
A quick montage showcases diverse professionals wearing safety helmets in various dynamic settings.
A pristine red helmet rotates slowly, gleaming under spotlights, an iconic display of quality.
A pristine red helmet rotates slowly, gleaming under spotlights, an iconic display of quality. A minimalist graphic, tested to the highest standards with an animated green line.
A stylized company logo and slogan, "Your safety, our priority," conclude the message.
From raw materials to your head, every step ensures your safety. We're committed to protection.
A rapid cut montage of rigorous testing, emphasizing the helmet's durability and intensity.
You enjoyed learning how safety helmets are made? Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next incredible story.
Our helmets empower you to work and live with confidence, knowing you're protected by the best.